Hey, small business owners. Tired of Acuity Scheduling or just want a better fit? Today we're comparing 4 top alternatives for 2025. Calendly, Setmore, simplybook.me, and Zencal. Let's dive in, explain each, and see which one's best for what. First, Calendly. It's super easy to use, connects with Google and Outlook calendars, and lets clients book meetings fast. Great for teams needing a clean, no-fuss scheduling page. Starts at $12 a month, but there is a free plan for basic needs. Next, Setmore. This one's great for businesses like salons or gyms. You get customizable booking pages, payment options, and social media integrations. It's free for up to 4 users, with paid plans starting at $9 a month. Perfect for iOS users too. Then simplybook.me. Awesome for service-based businesses like spas or tutors. You can create custom booking widgets, accept payments, and even collect client reviews. There is a free plan for 50 bookings, and paid plans start at $9.90 a month. Finally, Zencal, a newer tool built for simplicity. Create branded booking pages, manage clients, and automate scheduling. It's free to start with paid plans at $5 a month. Ideal for freelancers or small teams on a budget. Now let's compare. For ease of use, Calendly wins with its simple interface, perfect for quick meeting setups. For customization, Setmore and simplybook.me shine, especially for businesses needing unique booking pages. For budget, Zencal's low-cost plans are hard to beat, and Setmore's free plan is great for small teams. If you need payment integration, simplybook.me and Setmore are strong, with easy payment getaways. For solo entrepreneurs, Zencal or Calendly's free plan work best. So who's the winner? It depends. Pick Calendly for straightforward team scheduling, Setmore for service businesses with social media needs, simplybook.me for client feedback and flexibility, or Zencal for a cheap, simple option. Try their free plans to see what fits. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more small business tips.